chasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boy Sinus came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, it's your boy Sinus here in Kingston, Jamaica, and it is Wednesday, April the 3rd at 10:57 a.m. Yeah. So, guys, you guys ever wonder if you get the opportunity to talk to your future self? And this is where I got this idea from. You know, and also if you can write a letter to your future self, what would you say? Right? So this is basically what my video is about, you know. So dear future self, I really hope you're a better version of myself. I'm more refined, I'm more focused, I'm more purpose driven, I'm more bolder, stronger, more lovable, more evolved, and more mentally, spiritually, and physically mature version of yourself, of myself right now, I should say. Dear future me, I really hope when the channel does blow up and get much bigger, I hope that you'll stay focused and just keep your focus on God, and keep your eye on God, and never forget about Him in wherever level you reach, you know. Future me, I just want to let you just continue pushing, just driving, and just represent, you know. I really hope even the next 5 to 10 years from now, future me, I will reach 150,000 subscribers or more. You know, and upon reaching that level, a lot of things will be established in terms of my plans for Team Sinus and entertainment wise. And when I find that success, that I will stay focused and just driven. The future me, I pray that you'll find forgiveness in yourself, you know, and you will love more than you're already loving people, and you will let go more of the chains on your body at a faster time, meaning the hurt, the broken relationships, the feeling betrayed, and the abandoned feeling. You will soar past those, you know, and yeah, and also in all, you will probably learn how to trust again, because I don't trust, you know, especially females, and you'll just be a better version of myself in all. Dear future me, if you're looking back on this now, you can basically get a lot of knowledge from this and say, wow, this is where I was right at that moment, you know, and look how far I've come, you know. And even you viewers who watching this right now, if you're here with me still, 5 years, 10 years from now, you'll look back on this and say, wow, look how far we've come. Your future me, I just that you will keep the spark and the creativity keep flowing, you know, and I pray and hope wherever you are right now, mentally, you'll be a good place, you know, way better You know, I'm hoping at that time I get the car and the house and, you know, traveling, meeting new people, you know, that you'll be truly happy, because in all that's what it really boils down to. Happiness and really just being happy, you know, at the end of the day, mentally, spiritually and emotionally, as I really said, you know, and just do what I really love from my passion and just going full on. And dear future me, if you're looking back on this, I was afraid of a lot of things. After all, I'm kind of more like a wolf, being kind of like my own dad, you know, and I am hoping future you will be more braver than you are regarding taking a lot of steps and that, you know, and also just more faith, you know, going after new opportunities and trying new things. And in all their future me, I really hope in terms of the heart and just loving people, you won't be a fool, you know, and you will be in your heart will be in a better place in terms of the friends or the person that I love, and you know, and even the person I care about right now. Their future me, to be honest, I don't think it gonna work out, to be honest. It's just basically what I see right now, but whether I'm wrong or right, right now, I hope in terms of that situation, you're at a better place, you know, and their future me, I just really hope I'm realer than real, and at the end of the day, I just continue just standing bold and just be safe in their future me, and I'll find peace and have a their future me also. I want to say I hope I have a stronger and a bigger and better community, you know, a more engaging community, and then I'll be a better influencer and YouTuber. Positiveness, good energy, high energy, and not forgetting the roots and not forgetting the core people who have been there from day one. No hype, you know what I mean? No nothing. As I say, their future me, I hope you just see everybody just the whole team sign us as one big family, you know, and you find completeness. I really hope I'm a better version of myself. And yeah, and I guess in closing, their future me, I really hope after 5 to 10 years I will be alive and I will be able to look on this video. You know, I know it's a touchy topic, but I really hope God spare my life to even look back on this and get some knowledge from it. If not, I am sorry. Even just thinking about the topic, talking about it, kind of make you, the viewer, or even me think, but it's reality. But I have faith, and I believe that I'll be able to live to see according to God's purpose for my life the next 5 to 10 years, to really just look back on this and see what happens. Right? And hopefully you guys get the opportunity to learn from all of this, And yeah, so the end. I guess that's my dear me, dear future me video. So, and that's just the honest truth, guys. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for staying all of this time and just listening to me hear me blah 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 and think. But thank you very much, guys. And thanks for watching this video, and remember to stay focused, stay positive, and also remember that nothing can stop us because God our rock. Hey, join the video, boy. Woo!
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get tired, make me